Hello, good afternoon. So today we are going to see an example on JSON. JSON is a data interchange format and that is in the form of JavaScript object. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. In here, we'll show how we can sort of utilize JSON to pass data back from PHP. We are gonna do that via AJAX request. Before we start, I have just here created basic structure. Here there are three files: first.php, second.php, and third.js. So we have here also used jQuery, which will make our work more easier. So at the second.php, we have an array like header, content type, text, JavaScript. So here our example will actually work like I will input three numbers and it will give me the summation of those three numbers. So we will add those numbers and we'll return a JavaScript object with the success flag and also with result. So if the operation was successful, in it adding the numbers together successfully, and that file could be accessed. And if the file can be accessed, then this means we won't get their object back. So here in the first.php, we will give form action equals to second.php and method equals to, as we are using PHP, so it will be post, and we'll add ID. We'll see why we are using it later. Then input type equals to text, name equals to suppose first, then we give a plus sign. The next line we will do the same thing as the first one, equals to same here, text, and name equals to second. Again there will be a plus sign, and now again for the final input type text, name equals to third. So we are done with those inputs, and now there will be a submission way. So input type equals to submit value equals to add. So it will show the button here as add. If you press add, then you will get the result. So as we will create event handler for our JS, that's why we will give an ID. That's the reason why we have added ID here to identify. Now we'll go to the third.js, $, add dot on submit. Now we'll see function here, and then we'll give here var that equals to $, this. Then contents equals to that dot serialize. You know what serialize mean? If you don't know, then please go to YouTube and search for it. Serialize. Then there will be another $dot ajax. So now URL segment dot php comma data type. Data type will be JSON. Remember that you have to use comma here, not semicolon. You just have to mind that. So now there will be type of post, and data will be contents. And now success here, function data if data dot success, and then there will be a alert. You know, it's all about JavaScript. Sound is, you know what, you can give anything here, or like the value will be, the sum will be, as you know, result. Semicolon, and then there's, so I think we are done here. Quite seems it's done. And yeah, now yeah, there is something I'm missing here. Yeah, here we have to use a return type, which will be boolean and false. So now it's time for the second.php. Here we will set the default value of result and success. So already you can see the header is content type text JavaScript, and now $JSON equals to success default value will be false, and then the result. Hello, I'm back. So there is a problem, and there's a record duration. So now we'll continue from the beginning, that part. So again, I'm showing you success, then its value will be default value will be false. It's boolean type. Then with the result will be 0. Yeah, there will be no result at default. So now if is set dollar underscore post first, then $sign post second, another $sign for the third value, underscore. There's a little bit problem in lights, so okay, the post value will be UST post, and yeah, third. We have assigned it as third. So now we will put the values. So while first I'm setting the variable here, integer, all of those will be integer type. So that's why I'm using int here. Dollar post first, then again second goes to int $sign post second, and then third goes to int $sign underscore post, and here it will be third. So done with the variables, and now JSON success equals to be a boolean type, so it's true, and JSON result equals to so as you can see, there is summation first, second, and third value. Also, there is interesting thing. Okay, wait, I'll show you. So now it will echo the JSON encode. JSON sample. So as you can see, the value of success will be true, and it will return the result as a summation of those three numbers. So it's overlapping here. No, the default value is false and result was 0, and then when there will be values, so it will return true, and there will be a result of their summation of three numbers. So now uh, we if you have XAMPP, I have XAMPP here, so I'm here, so the local it's XAMPP, and go to XAMPP control. Here I have already started Apache and MySQL, so you have to do the same thing. Now save these files. Here I have saved those files in htdocs in here in the JSON folder. So you have to do the same thing. You can give another name to the folder, but you have to save them in htdocs. So we are done. Let me check if it works or not. So why is it taking too much time? Wait, or I have to use Google Chrome. I'm trying, and I actually try in Firefox, you know. It's helpful for developers, for me actually. Uh, so actually, in the meantime, we can check. Oh no, it appears here. So let's write localhost / JSON. Not now. Yeah, and it will show my result here. Here, you can see three files are here: first.php, second.php, and third.js. First.php will enter, and now there are three boxes as we have created three options to input. So first let me input 11, 22, and 33. So if we will press add here, it will show me a JavaScript alert box where it will show result equals to the summation of these three numbers. Let me see. Here, sum is 66. So there was a successful result, that's why it's showing such things. But if it was not successful, then you know, for the result it would have been showed 0, and success, you know, it was false. Here for this part we are getting this alert box, sorry, here for this one. See, so that is how we can use JSON in our work, and you know, it will actually easier your projects or anything else. So that is how we are going to use JSON, and it's just basic examples. You can use it in your other project and you will learn more. So thanks for watching.